Okay, good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed about the HTML tags. So, under this second module, that we'll be going to discuss about the HTML tables. Okay, so you might be knowing that what are the different types of tables are going to be there in that. So, anything that we keep it in the format, okay, tabular format, you can say that it is going to exist in the table. Okay, so we can say that a calendar is a table. Okay? The different types of formats are going to be there in that. Okay, and even your the Google Scholar. Okay, so you can able to have that particular check boxes and all these things where you can able to tick, as well as the content will be there in that. So those things are going to be called as a tabulated format. It is going to be okay. So in that you can able to see the proper formatting that is going to be present in the display. So to do that, we need to have the tables. So how to write the tables and as well as the forms we'll be going to discuss in this particular module. Okay. So let us see what is this table is. Okay. The table which you will be going to see, this table is a HTML created using the element it is going to be, okay, which you can able to see like this. Okay, is the table. So it is going to be written in the tag, less than symbol and greater than symbol. Under that the table is going to be get exist. So it is a table element it is. Okay. Then we will going to have the different types of tables. There is a calendar is there, financial data is going to be there. Okay, lists are going to be there. Okay, again under the ordered list, unordered list, so many things are going to be present in that. Some areas you can even embed the things over here by using this images, text, links and other formats, other table formats. Okay. Now you can see the different types of tables over here. You can see that this is one format, okay, table, which it is going to have the header, and the color is going to be different, and again the body of that it is going to be different, and the footer is going to be different. Okay, left hand side the header is going to be there, that is different. Okay, and this is one type of format. And here you can see another table which it is includes the images and the description about those things. Okay, and here it is going to be the calendar. Okay, and here it is going to be, we can say that images and are there, and as well as checkboxes are there, the information about that particular picture, and you can able to edit also. So regarding that, this is one type of format it is going to be. Okay, so these things are the different examples for the HTML. Okay, now you can see that here the table basically that it is going to consisting of table row, table data and th, there is one more is there, th. Okay, there is a table header. So td, in between the td, okay, here it is there, right, in between this td, here, okay, in between this td, if you write any data, that it is going to get displayed. It is going to start with the table. Okay, table tag, tr is the table row, first row is going to be there. In that the data is going to be written by using the td tag, and some information about that. So Sai Ram College of Engineering, so /td. So started and ended with all the tds. Then again tr started, tr is going to end, is on table. So just one block is created in that, the Sri Sai Ram College of Engineering, that is going to be written. So all these things I am going to demonstrate after this particular presentation. Okay, fine. Only the thing is that just you know what exactly this tags are going to be present in this. Fine. Now th is the header tag it is going to be. Okay, it is going to be written in the bold format. Fine. Yeah. Then this is a row span and column spans. These are the another two important concepts of the tags. It is going to be present in the table. So you can see here there is a th is there. Okay, so when it is going to be said that data is going to be present like that, table is going to be get started here. You can see that over here. Okay, table is going to start here. Okay, table is going to start here, right? Then after tr is there, first tr, then the data is going to be there here. Okay, then th, because this is going to be written in the bold fashion, hence it is going to be th is there. Here it is in the down. Again after this the closing will be there, tr, then one more tr is going to start. Again data are going to be present, tr closes here, again one more row is going to start. So like this it is continuous. Now you can see in this the table is started. This is an example. It is basically table is started here, table row is started, th. There's a call span is being written here. What do you mean by call span? It is going to create two columns after this particular row, that it is saying. Where exactly? That it is going to be here. You can see that. You can see that here it is going to be there. Okay, th column span 2. So after this row, next row when it continues, there it is getting created with two columns. Fine. For that you should write like this. Okay, th call span 2. Okay, then after th closes here, tr means first row closes, then second row starts here. In the second row, how many columns will be there? 1 2 3 4 5. In the top it is only 4, but in the bottom for the second row it is 5. So 5 data that you have to write it, then close it. Again one more tr is going to start. There is a second row, then again it is going to start with the another row. Got it? Clear? So first row ends, then second row starts, second row ends. Like this you can create the tabulated format. Okay, so call span you have to understand in this. Fine. Okay, next. Here again this is a row span. Okay, row span you can use it like this. Here it is there. Okay, you can see this one over here, row span. Okay, row span is equals to 3. So let us see that how that it works. Again the table is going to be same, there is no change in that. Table is going to start, the first row starts over here. Okay, first row starts and first row ends. The 3 headers are there. Okay, artist, title and year. So this is one. Next, in the first row when it starts, in that only are writing first td. There is the first row, row span 3 is there. After this, okay, or this column, second column onwards you will be going to get 3 rows. Okay, for this row 3 rows is getting created here, 3 rows created here, 3 rows created here. Okay, so the data is going to be first row's data you will be going to write. Second, first already you have written this one, first row's data. Okay, first column data you have written, second column data you have to write, third column data you should write, then end the tr. Next again second row starts here. Second row starts, only 2 data are going to be there because already this data is written. Only from here that you should start. So only 2 data that it is going to be written. Again 2 data you have to write it. So this is row span. This is row span. Rows are getting divided in the next slot. Okay, like columns, next slot the columns have been divided. Similarly rows have been divided by using this row span. Okay, fine. So you can access by web accessibility is there. Okay, the contents can be accessed by the web. The term web accessibility refers to the assistive technologies. You can able to view, mobility, audibility, so many things that you can able to do it in the